Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Really neat old Fordson tractor I want to show you. It's on a Trackson track setup. It's got a snow blade in the front, wooden slats, metal cutting edge, comes down to a point, V-blade, manual cable lift, winch set up on the front, anchors off to the track frame up here. Waukesha aftermarket manifold on it. It's even got a Waukesha aftermarket head on it. Neat old lights. Nice looking fenders on it. It's like an old horn. Fenders curve around behind the tracks. Tin roof on it. Sliding windows. It's like the front one pivots open. Very neat bracing up in the roof. Very interesting operator's area. Imagine the old boy sitting in this back in the day plowing snow. I bet the cab was a welcome accessory back then. Really neat looking old machine. The old coil buzz box for ignition on it yet. These Trackson track drive setups were kind of interesting. They utilized the differential. The steering wheel had a mechanism that actuated the brakes on one side or the other, so you still steered it with the steering wheel. Manual handbrake here for parking. Really neat old tractor. Thanks for watching, guys.